Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. Grab your drink of choice and let's dive into a new AI prompt. Today we're going to do another prompt that's related to meal planning. We have one here on the channel that I did a while ago that just talked about how to do some simple meal planning. But we're going to take it a little further today in our prompt and look at asking ChatGPT to help create specifically a dinner plan for healthier meals. So I've got the prompt ready, I'm just going to pop it in here. So what I'm asking is, I want to eat healthier but keep it simple. Can you create a 5-day dinner plan with recipes that take less than 30 minutes to cook and use easy-to-find ingredients? So we're getting a little bit more specific with this prompt. We're saying that we want it to be healthy meals, we want there to be 5 of them, we're focused only on dinner, we want it to be for meals that are less than 30 minutes. We don't want this whole big chef ordeal every night that we have to go through in order to get our meals done. And we also want it to be easy to find ingredients. I don't know about you, but I have had times where I've been walking through the grocery store looking for some obscure spice or something that a recipe is calling for that I've never heard of or used before. We don't want something like that happening with our meal plan, so we're going to make sure that it's easy to find ingredients as well. So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT and see what we get. So we've got our 5-day healthy dinner plan, it's reiterated what we've asked for, and also it's indicating that each recipe balances protein, veggies, and healthy carbs and fats. So here's our plan that we've got. Let's see. Day 1 is 1-pan lemon garlic salmon with veggies. Day 2, chicken stir-fry with veggies and rice noodles. Day 3, turkey taco bowls. Day 4, shrimp and veggie skillet with quinoa. And Day 5, caprese chicken with balsamic glaze. So it looks like when you look at all of the ingredients here, see how they're called out at the top of the recipe? Everything looks like it's pretty simple. Simple ingredients, easy to find things. So I think that ChatGPT did a good job with coming up with recipes. There's also some tips here to make this even easier. And then it asks if we would like ChatGPT to also make a shopping list grouped by category. And I think that I'm going to go ahead and say yes to this, just to see what we get. I always like, doing additional things when it asks, just to see what kind of response we get. So it's broken it up by proteins, veggies and greens, pantry, canned and frozen, dairy, and then some optional toppings and extras. So this looks like a pretty good grocery list as well. So I think that this is a great plan to get started on. So if you liked this meal plan, feel free to copy them. You can pause the video and take a snapshot of the meal plan and give it a try. I hope that you found this healthy meal plan prompt helpful. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you next time on Everyday AI Made Simple.